Dear students, good morning to all of you. Last class we have discussed about the series and parallel circuit. Today we are going to discuss or we are going to solve some problems on series circuit and parallel circuit. Okay. Now we will see the first problem. The first problem is three resistors are connected in series with 10 volt supply. Find the voltage drop across each resistor. Okay. So voltage drop across each resistor V1, V2, V3 அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So what are the values are given? The resistance value R1 is given as 5 ohm, R2 is given 3 ohm, R3 is given as 2 ohm. Already we have discussed in the series circuit. This is series circuit. Okay. So already we have discussed what is the resistance series in a series circuit. RS, we know the formula. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let us find out what is the value of RS. Okay. Or it is also called as equivalent resistance. So RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what is the value of R1? It is given as 5 ohm. 5. What is the value of R2? 3. 3 ohm. What is the value of R3? 2 ohm. So its value is 10 ohm. So first step we have calculated the value of RS. According to Ohm's law, the current through the circuit is equal to voltage divided by the total resistance. Voltage is given as 10 volt. The total resistance is 10 ohm. Now we will calculate the total current I flows through the circuit. So the current flows through the circuit is formula is I is equal to V by RS. What is our VU? V, it is given as 10 volt. What is our RS? We have calculated as 10 ohm. So which is equal to 1 ampere. Okay. So we have calculated the current. Actually, what is our final calculations? We need to calculate what is the voltage across the resistance R1, R2 and R3. There is a formula. We have to use the voltage Ohm's law. Right. So according to Ohm's law, what is the voltage drop across the resistance R1? It is denoted as V1. The formula is the same as you know. The current through all the resistors are same in a series circuit. So the V1 is equal to I into R1. So what is our I? I already we have calculated as 1 ampere. 1 into what is our R1? 5 ohm. So what is our answer? 5 volt. Okay. So first answer is over. Then we'll go to what is the voltage drop across V2. The same formula. So for V2, the formula is I into R2. What is our I? The same, because in the series circuit same current will flow. So 1 into R2, the resistance value is 3 ohm. So 3. So it is 3 volt. Similarly for what is our value of V3 is equal to I into R3. So the I value is 1 ampere. So 1 into R3. What is our R3? 2 ohm. Okay. So the answer is 2 volt. Right. So we have calculated the voltage across V1 as 5 volt. Voltage across R2 is 3 volt and the voltage across 2 ohm is 2 volt. Okay. If you add these three values 5 volt, 3 volt and 2 volt, we will get 10 volt, which is the voltage applied across the circuit. Okay. Now we will coming to second problem. The second problem is three resistors are connected in parallel to a supply of 15 volt. Find the effective resistance and total current drawn from the supply. Okay, so first step is we have to find out the effective resistance. We know the effective resistance formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R. What is our R1? 3 ohm. What is our R2? 5 ohm. What is our R3? 2 ohm. Okay. So 1 by Rp is equal to, take an LCM. If you take an LCM 30, so this will become 10 and this will become 6 and this will become 15. So which is equal to 31 by 30, which is equal to 1 by Rp. If you take a reciprocal of 1 by Rp, you will get Rp. So Rp is equal to 30 by 31. What is the value? 0.9677. This is our Rp. Correct. We have calculated the value of Rp. Then what is our aim? We have to find out the total current. What is the total current according to Ohm's law? Ohm's law. What is the current? Current I is equal to V by Rp. Rp is the effective resistance. V is the applied voltage. I is the current through the circuit. The current I. Okay. So I is equal to, what is our V? 15 volt. What is our Rp? 0.9677. So we will get the value of 15.5 ampere. This is our total current. Clear? So the first step we have calculated. First step we have calculated the current. How we have got the current? First step we have calculated the value of Rp. Then by using the Ohm's law, we have got the value of the current. Total current flows in a circuit. Then, okay, the third problem is find the equivalent resistance of the series and parallel circuit. Here there are 12 resistors. If you look at this diagram, these resistors, the 5 ohm resistor and 10 ohm resistors are connected in series. Okay, similarly 5 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor are connected in series. This combination and these combinations are connected in parallel. Similarly, the next bridge and third bridge. Right. Now this circuit, the complicated circuit is reduced into a simple circuit. Okay, I will draw the simple circuit now. Here, these two are connected in series. Right. And here, these two are connected in series. Right. Here, this is 5 ohm and this one is 10 ohm, this one is 5 ohm and 10 ohm. First bridge is over. Then coming to next bridge, similarly this 5 ohm and 10 ohm, 5 ohm and 10 ohm are connected. Then coming to this third bridge, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, then 5 ohm, then 10 ohm, right? So 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 ohm. Okay, so this is a simplified diagram of the previous circuit. Now if you look at this, these two resistors are in series. 5 plus 10 in a series circuit, you have to add these two resistors, so it is become 15 ohm. Similarly in the bottom, 5 plus 10, 15 ohm. So this circuit become 15 ohm and then 15 ohm. Okay, similarly here 15 ohm, 15 ohm. Here 15 ohm, 15 ohm. Okay, so this circuit is reduced into the simplified circuit. Then further we can simplify it by considering this circuit, these resistors are in parallel, right? 15 ohm. In order to find out the equal resistance, we have to apply the parallel formula. We know the parallel formula: 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. What is our R1? 15 ohm. What is our R2? 15 ohm. Okay, so 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. If you take the LCM 15, okay, so it is become 2. Okay, this is our 1 by Rp. What is our Rp? Rp is equal to 15 by 2. So which is equal to 7.5 ohm. Okay, if these two resistors are connected in parallel and it has the same value, its equivalent value is just half of this resistance. So now this 2 will become 7.5 ohm. Similarly, these two resistors are having the same value and it is parallel, its value is reduced to 7.5 ohm. Then these two resistors are having the same value and it is parallel, so its value is 7.5 ohm. Here A, here C. Now if you look at this diagram, the last diagram, these three resistors are in series: 7.5, 7.5 and 7.5. What is the equal resistance of the series circuit? RS. RS is equal to this plus this plus this. So first value is 7.5, second value is 7.5, third value is 7.5. So 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 7.5. So what is its value? So 22.5 ohms. This is our total resistance of this circuit, right? This is our final value. Thank you. Dear students, one of the important instruction to you is, உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், see the COVID டைமில் உங்களுடைய பேரண்ட்ஸ் நீங்கள் எல்லாம் கஷ்டத்தில் இருக்கீங்கிறது எங்களுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். பட் த கவர்மெண்ட் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன், த பிரின்சிபல் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் படி உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் நடத்திட்டு இருக்கிறோம். ஸோ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா with great difficulties we have framed the timetable and we have got the permission from the principal. Based on the principal permission, we have உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் சர்க்குலேட் பண்ணி இந்த நம்மளுடைய ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸை நாங்கள் நடத்திட்டு இருக்கிறோம். As far as third year is concerned, all the students are attending regularly and I have got the good feedback. But I don't know regarding the second years, some of the staffs are giving complaint about you that you people are not regular. Only 3 people are attending the classes. So இது வந்து என்னன்னா, it is not good. See, as far as DOT is concerned, Director of Technical Education Chennai is concerned, எப்போ வேணாலும் எக்ஸாம் நடத்துவாங்க. ஏன்னா ஆன்லைனில் தமிழ்நாட்டில் எல்லா பாலிடெக்னிலையும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. எப்போ வேணாலும் எக்ஸாம் நடத்துவாங்க. மேபி இந்த மந்த் ஆஃப் செப்டம்பர் ஆர் அக்டோபரில் எக்ஸாம் நடத்துறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து இப்போ சப்போஸ் உங்களுக்கு ரெகுலர் கிளாஸஸ் வந்து செப்டம்பரோ இல்லை நம்ம அக்டோபர் ஆரம்பித்தா இமீடியட்டாக நீங்கள் எக்ஸாம் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுறக்கூடிய சூழ்நிலைக்கு நீங்கள் தள்ளப்படுவீங்க. ஸோ டெஃபினட்டாக இட் இஸ் உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமான சூழ்நிலை. அதனால தான் நாங்கள் என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா, ரெகுலராக நீங்கள் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். அட்டண்டன்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஏன்னா வந்து நான் சொன்னப்போல நீங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு கிளாஸஸ்க்கும் ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் நோட் புக் போட்டு நீங்கள் நடத்துகிற ஒவ்வொரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் நடத்துகிற தியரியை நீங்கள் எழுதிட்டு வாங்க, அதை படிச்சுக்கிட்டே வாங்க. டெஃபினட்டாக எக்ஸாம்ஸுக்கு உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஹியர் ஆஃப்டர் வந்து நாங்கள் உங்களுடைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறேன், டைம் டேபிளையும் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லைட்டாக நான் மாடிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ணி நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்லேருந்து உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் இல்லாமல் நாங்கள் மாடிஃபை பண்ணுறேன். பட் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். எவ்ரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் should attend the classes without fail. Okay, thank you.